Hi guys, so as per the last video, here is the self-discovery prompt jar that I made and you all can make for yourself as well. I just had this old jam jar in my home and मैंने इसमें बस कुछ chits डाली जिसमें कुछ questions लिखे हैं which can act like a journaling prompt for myself to understand myself better. I just gave a simple prompt to ChatGPT. You can use any AI platform. I just asked it to give me some questions that I can use as a journaling prompt to understand myself better. And then, yes, I just made some chits out of those questions, and here is my journal entry. It's super simple and super easy. If you love journaling, you must give this a try. My commute time is my me time, and a couple of activities I like to do on my way to work are listening to my favorite music, journaling, editing my videos. Sometimes I even like to just get lost and observe people or observe plants and trees and everything that's on my way to work. Yes, that's me screaming in the background. I was just heading home and it started raining so heavily. I was with my friend on our way to catch the office shuttle, and I'm not complaining at all. Give me rain any time of the day, and I'll be happy. So here comes another journal thingy I DIY'd recently. It was a very old, boring, plain white journal. Like the cover of it was so boring. And I had these little decorative postcards I ordered from Meesho. So I just sellotaped it, made it waterproof, and put it on top of the journal. It's looking so pretty now. So it's Savan, and I'm a big time bangle buglu if you don't know already. And this was the perfect excuse for me to take out all of my green bangles, put them on the stand. So I took the perfect opportunity, took them all out, the glossy ones, the plain ones, the shiny ones, the ones with bead, and I had put them all on this rack. And I'm picking a lot of bangle stack videos, Savan themed videos these days on my shorts, so make sure you check them out if you are a bangle puglu like me, and if you're liking this sort of content, please comment and let me know, because I have a choti si bangle ki dukaan of my own and I have bangles in so many colors. Like I can't tell you, in so many variety of bangles. Like I have them in glass, I have the plastic ones, I have the metal ones, I have so on and so forth, and I've got these beautiful bangle stands also. I made a lot of short form content on bangles, and honestly, this is the season when I feel like doing that again, because of course it's Savan and I'm doing all sort of basic or girly stuff which I keep doing almost all of the year, but this like time of the year feels like it, and this is the vibe basically. So here are some cute pictures that I took after organizing all of my green bangles. I'm swooning over them. If you are too, then please let me know in the comments.
Saturday morning and I have just finished my workout. मैंने जिम से एक पेपर और एक पेन ले लिया क्योंकि मेरे पास मेरी कॉपी और डायरी कुछ नहीं है इस वक्त, एंड आई एम हेडिंग टू द लाइब्रेरी एंड आई लाइक टू मेक सम नोट्स of like what I've read, even to my morning pages sometimes. So, cards की हटल हो रही है. It's really early, but yeah, going to the library now.
कि मेरा बेटा मरने वाला है।
Shiva is one god who I resonate with and who I admire the most because I was fasting. I had to go to the मंदिर तो मैं शाम को लॉग ऑफ के बाद में थोड़ी देर मंदिर गई और थोड़ी सी पूजा करके आई and everything looked so beautiful, even the trees, because it's Savan, because it's monsoon, everything looked so pretty, so beautiful. All the trees looked extra green and I loved it.